Hi, my name is Nick David with NDA Studios, and today we are talking with one of our previous clients, Rosette.
Previous
Welcome.
and current, still
And
working
current.
with. Hmm.
Yes, yes. Cool. So we're just gonna go through a deep dive of what we've done for Rosette. So
Yes.
yeah. So Rosette, tell us a little bit about yourself, your business, and what do you do?
Um, I am a singer-songwriter. First and foremost, that's what I started off doing. And then I was also acting. And then, things changed and everybody's like, do things on social media. So acting and skits. And that's where I met you. Actually, I met you shooting for Adam Wahid
Mm-hmm.
like
Years ago,
years ago.
or like 6 or 7, something like
Six or
that, way
seven
back.
years ago. And then I met you again at the farmer's market.
Yeah. After years. Yeah, that's right. That's right.
And you had invited me out to work with a couple other influencers. And then it turned out great.
That's awesome. So right now you currently do like social media content?
Yes. Well, I mean, I'm doing all types of content, but yeah, social media is what I'm doing on all my socials, duh. But beyond that, yeah, I'm still singing, still working on that kind of stuff, going for auditions. But yeah, the social media stuff is really fun to do. It's easy.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun too. There's not necessarily one formula, but like just kind of have fun and go for it.
It's easy when you don't have to edit
Yeah, exactly.
or shoot it.
Right, yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Cool. So why did you decide to work with me over other video agencies, videographers?
Well, you're easy to deal with, and you actually give input.
Mm,
Like there's other people that are just videographers that don't know anything beyond shooting.
right,
And but with you, you could give input with, oh, like this would be a good shot, or actually maybe you want to say this, or you I come up with an idea, you can elaborate on that idea or help me with it. Yeah, you're just really good with, and you're really good with the angles and stuff and where you can think it out and be like, well, this would look good and this would look good, and especially with women because they're like, do I look good? Do I look fat? Does this thing
right.
look? Yeah,
Yeah,
so you're really in tune with that kind of stuff.
yeah. A lot of the times, like too, sometimes an idea will be like you'll think of something in your head, and then it'll be funny, but how do you translate that to an audience? And also, social media is a whole different beast with retention as well. You know what I mean? You have
Yes,
to keep it engaged and constantly be aware of
and
that. So
under
there's
a
a lot.
certain amount of seconds or whatever, under a minute.
Yes, yes. There's a
Yeah.
lot of strategy that goes behind making these videos. So
Hmm.
yeah. Okay. So what did we work on specifically together in the past? I know there's a lot of
Well,
projects, but
we did a lot of skits with Mark Harley and his little small friend. Uh, uh, we work with Felicity, and I think it was cool. Like, also with your other guy, Craig.
Mhm.
I've been doing the little Indian woman thing, which is
Right.
good. We so a lot of stuff. Oh, and also we've also talked about figuring out like a way for me to have more of traction to my social media and maybe like a different kind of like what did you say? Remember you telling me that we should like try to find what really works for you, like a niche. So
Yes, yes.
that's what we've been doing. Like so far, like a lot of those videos were great that you did, and all the actors were great. What else did we shoot? We shot a lot of that stuff. Mostly skits. Mostly
Right.
skits is what we shot.
And
Yeah.
then a couple collaborations with companies as well.
Yes. Which companies were they? I
Every
I
every
totally.
tip.
Oh yeah, EveryTable.
Yeah.
I'm the one. Yes, that's the one we did. Yeah,
Yeah.
see, because there's so many. So
Right, right.
EveryTable was really, really fun to do. In fact, that video that we did, because we did a couple for them, and those videos had the highest views
Hmm.
compared
Yeah,
to compared to all the other videos that they did. Ours was the best.
right. It
I
was
mean,
like
Mark was also good.
average with like a couple thousand here and there, and then our video did like 40,000,
Almost 50,000.
50,000. It's
Yeah,
insane.
for
Yeah.
for with no backing, no like
No,
boosting, nothing like
right.
that.
Right. Yeah. That was a really fun project too.
Yeah, that was a good
Yeah.
project. And I think you've worked with other ones too. I think you did some gym stuff, like gym
Hmm.
supplements and I think maybe protein chips and stuff. I don't know, a bunch of stuff you've done.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
yeah, yeah.
cool. Okay, so how was that experience working with me, and then what was the process like from start to finish?
It's super easy. You're easy to work with, man. Like you come in, you're not an asshole. Can I say that? I
Yeah,
don't know.
it's fine.
Okay, well,
It's
all
real.
right.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, you're not pretentious. You're just like, okay, you know, you're like, let's get to the point. Let's get this. Let's get these shots, and it's fun because it doesn't feel like it's work. It's just like we get it done, all have a goal, and then on to the next.
right,
Sometimes some actors are slower, so that could be a little frustrating, but that has nothing to do with you. You just come in, you know what you're doing, you know what we're doing, we get it done.
right, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. And then what sort of results did you get from work with me?
Well, the video quality, it's always better, quality versus quantity.
Mhm.
Your videos that I did with all the other influencers combined, really helped me with my following. I ended up going from like, I think when I started working with you guys, it was like at 70,000 followers, and now I'm at 190,000 followers.
Mhm.
So yeah, and it's because of the videos and the content and how well it's edited. And it's really clear quality too, because you can shoot on your iPhone, of course,
Yeah,
but with everything that you do and having them and like the voice is clear, you can see everything. That's very important. So yeah,
right,
uh, it's just very professional and it looks really good. So it's
right.
worth it. It's worth it. And then with that, you can
Cool.
go and get brand deals and stuff.
Right, exactly. Exactly.
Yeah.
Um, cool. So, okay, and then how did that impact like your social media, your career, your business, whatever you use social media for?
Well, because I was getting over in the back end, I was getting over, geez, I was getting from like it started from like 1 million to almost 12 million reach in
Mhm.
the back end, the impressions, which were pretty solid numbers. I ended up getting that EveryTable account, and then I got IVF. I got
Mhm.
it.
It's
I
huge.
started working with an IVF doctor who I went from having no follicles, which means like very little eggs, to a
Mhm.
lot more. And my journey, and they wanted me to basically show my journey and all this stuff because based on the reach that I was getting from the other videos. So
Right.
that's my huge one,
Yeah, that's
big one.
huge. And
Mhm.
it's really cool to see your journey. Yeah, going through all
Not
that
an
process
easy one.
too.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks. Well, it'll come together.
Yeah,
It'll come
yeah.
together for sure. Cool. So, awesome. And if there were anybody on the fence with maybe working with me or even booking a call or consultation, what would you say to them?
Um, I think anyone and everyone's going to be like that because you're a stranger, right?
Mm,
So, you just should look at his work because his work your work speaks for yourself. You're really good at what you do. Like I said, I started working with you when you were shooting with Adam Wahid, and he's like, I don't know how many followers that man has.
yeah.
And, you're very, you deliver quality product and you're like very good. And I don't know why anybody wouldn't work with you because it's not like there's anything that you do wrong. I would like I'm saying like I'm still working with you.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
I think that should say enough. I'm still working with you.
Right, right, right.
And when I met you, you're just very personable and comfortable to talk to. So if anyone feels skeptical, just, I say just give it a try. Even do maybe like a 6 month trial if that's what you need to do. I didn't do that. I just kind of went right in.
Yeah,
But yeah, like to each their own. I don't think anyone would really feel uncomfortable. I don't think you've had that issue.
right, right.
Not with anyone I've
No,
introduced you to.
no, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, right,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
right. Cool. Awesome. So
Yeah.
that's pretty much it. And thank you so much, Rosette. And anybody watching this call, yeah, just book a call. We'll talk, see what you need, and then see if how we can help you guys grow your business. So yeah.
Yeah. One thing you guys should know, like he is working with this one creator. He had zero, like nada. nothing. And he literally brought this guy from zero to like 10,000 followers on like TikTok in a matter of months.
Mhm.
So that should speak volumes.
Yeah. And
So,
and
like
one point for that guy, he had zero experience on social media. He came from
zero.
construction. Like he's older and
I've
he
worked with
doesn't
him.
know. Yes, yes,
Zero. Zing. Not
zero.
very much,
He's doing better now, but
but he's doing
yeah.
very good now.
Yeah.
Thanks
He's
to
great. We
Nap. And
love
I'm not kissing
him.
ass. This is like facts. I was like, because I was skeptical about that one. I'm like, what? You're like, now I can do
Yeah.
it. And I'm like, wow. And he actually showed me. I was like, I was impressed. I was like,
Yeah.
wow, you got this old man going up there. So
He's
just for
great. Yeah.
anybody that's out there that feels too old to do it, this man is not the youngest one, and he got him 10,000 followers, and like across the board, he's doing really well. So
Yeah.
yeah, don't be afraid. It's never too late.
Never too late. Never
Yeah,
too late. All right.
never too late.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, cool. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, Rosette.
Thank you.